Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bikaner, located in Rajasthan. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for Executive Debit Management Services Consumer. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So let us discuss about the job responsibilities here. To achieve collection targets of the respective branch assigned, ensuring meeting PI targets and meeting the target on cost of collections, ensuring meeting PI targets within cost limit specified on monthly basis, and ensuring legal guidelines are compiled for entire collection structure in letter and spirits. Ensure that the collection agencies and the executives adhere to the legal guidelines provided by the law in force and ensure adherence to the code of conduct, and continuously monitoring collection agencies and collection executives to identify fraudulent practices and ensure that no loss is incurred due to such activities. So these are the key responsibilities. Next, coming to requirements. People management skills, demonstrated success and achievement orientation, excellent communication skills and negotiation skills are required, and also strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment, demonstrated ability to lead from the front, and excellent relationship skills are required. So if you want to apply for this position, so interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for primary school teacher. It is from Cambridge Montessori Preschool and Daycare. So coming to about the job, so they are looking for primary teachers for nursery, LKG and UKG standards. So for minimum 1 year of experience is required to apply for this position, and so fresher candidates are also eligible to apply. So salary will be as per your experience. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for Territory Manager Virtual Office. It is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. So the job type will be full-time associate. So coming to about the job. So under the business development, you need to conduct market mapping of the assigned location to identify potential business avenues, distributors, and conduct Vivo launch activities, career seminars on regular basis at assigned location to increase distribution base and sourcing new business, and drive the business targets for the location as per functional priority, ensuring healthy LOB mix maintained all the time. So you can also check here with the all the details under the business development. Next, under the intermediary and relationship management, you need to ensure IMD or partners are engaged all the time with by functional driven R&R and campaign communication, and ensure IMDs channel partners are trained on various products based on the business priority by collaborating with the training team, and ensure IMDs or channel partners commission queries, operational issues are addressed in timely manner to maintain. So you can check here with all the details here about this job role. So if you want to know more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for admission in charge. So it is from Forces Technical Solutions. So 2 to 4 years of experience is required for this position. and the skills required will be administration, documentation, and good communication skills, education, counseling. So they are going to offer a salary range will be 1,80,000 to 2,40,000 rupees per annum. So any graduate candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for agency recruitment and development manager. So it is from Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. So experience will be 1 to 4 years. And coming to responsibilities, you should be responsible for recruitment and management of agents, identify, recruit and manage advisors from their respective location, and you need to train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products, and monitor and review agents performance and help them achieve maximum business and meet customer on a regular basis for achieving standards. Execution of sales strategy, increase market reach and penetration through market segmentation, and seek new customers and increase sales. So you can also check here with the other details, like the education qualification will be graduate with experience in sales industry is required. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for web designer. So it is from Rasputana Web Solution. So for this position, you should be having 1 to 4 years of experience. So in that, minimum 1 year of experience is required in designing, and also ability to develop web layouts as per client requirements, and proficient in Photoshop, Flash, Dreamweaver, JavaScript, CorelDRAW and Illustrator, and Flash action scripting will be an added advantage, and the candidate should be having the good communication skills and ability to work with the team is a must. So coming to desired skills and experience, Dreamweaver, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, web designer, designing Flash and Illustrator. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@rajputanawebsolution.com. Next one, there is a job opening for software engineer position. So it is from ISOL. So fresher candidates and also up to 1 year of experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the education qualification would be bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, engineering or related technical subject, and you should be having some skills related like having strong knowledge in OOPS concepts and specific knowledge in any of the modern programming languages like Ash, Shift or Node.js and Python, advanced JavaScript, etc. will be a plus. Next one, there is a job opening for technical lead WordPress. So it is from Uploads. So this will be like work from home, and above 5 years of experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position. And let us discuss about the responsibilities now. So the candidates should be having the knowledge on PHP, like the PHP based website production, coding, deployment and optimization of ongoing projects, and you need to optimize applications for speed and scalability, and also development of front-end and back-end web properties, and lightweight server-side maintenance, domains, DNS, redirects, hosting specially on AWS, and plan and execute the projects from start to completion involving deadlines, milestones and processes, and package management and front-end build systems like Gulp, NPM, Webpack, Babel, and the concepts of compiling. And also the candidates should be having the experience in team management and client handling. Next, under the technical skills, you should be having the knowledge in OOPS concepts, and also strong understanding of PHP, jQuery, MySQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also strong understanding of WordPress CMS and any PHP based CMS or framework, that is Drupal, Joomla, Magento, Xcode, Laravel, Cake PHP, coordinator, etc. And also knowledge of modern authorization mechanisms such as JSON, Web Token, and experience in versioning technologies such as Git or Agile environment. And you can also check here with the other skills mentioned here. So coming to soft skills, the candidate should be having the ability to take lead and work in a trustworthy working environment and partner with the required teams and get seamless outputs, and should be curious to learn more and collaborate whenever needed, and strong communication and problem solving skills are required. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, the link is provided in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.